Do you know my voice will remain consistent in this video? Can you see that my voice hasn't changed?
Including me, and Coach Glory created me using just her phone and free tools.
You can also do this. Allow her to teach you how to do this easily. Also subscribe to her channel so you don't miss out.
Can you believe these videos you just watched were created using just my mobile phone and using free tools from the beginning to the end? And I'm going to teach you how to do the same in the simplest and easiest way. You're welcome, and if this is your first time meeting me, hi, I'm Glory C, and on this channel I teach you how to use different AI tools for different functions. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, you want to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge, and do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one so it can get to a lot more content creators like us. In order to do this, the first thing you need to do is to come over to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you for a male voiceover, a female voiceover, that's a woman's voiceover, then a child's voiceover. But the first thing you want to do is to put in this particular prompt that I am using here, right? Write a concise one paragraph. I know I have a reason for saying one paragraph, because if you do not put one paragraph, ChatGPT could go ahead to generate a very long prompt for you. Write a concise one paragraph technical voiceover specification for Nigerian male. Now, if you want any other race, you can put it, maybe an American or European, Asian, do you understand? Mid-30s, it's important that you put the age so it can get the voice. Include exact details for volume, pace, can you see, pitch range, tone quality. Remember, we are trying to get consistency in the voiceover, articulation, intonation, delivery style, pauses, which is very important so it looks human, so it sounds human, resonance, and parameters needed to reproduce the same voice consistently in recordings or AI synthesis. Keep it precise, professional, and suitable for AI voice generation. Okay, then you just go ahead and send it. Then let ChatGPT generate the one paragraph prompt. So you can see here is a concise technical one paragraph voiceover specification tailored for a Nigerian male in his mid-30s. So you can see it now. You see this particular prompt. Can you see how detailed it is? What you want to do is to just go ahead and copy it. The next thing you want to do is to go over to Grok. All right, this is Grok. I'm using the web, right, the one on the website, but you can decide to use the app. It just depends on you. Now you can see here ask Grok, but the first thing you want to do is to come to these three lines you can see here. Okay, come down here to where you can see Imagine. Okay, tap on it. Now I'm using the web because I'm using an iPhone, and I think I've tried to download Grok app on this iPhone, but it requires a higher version. Okay, so that's why I'm using the web. Now what you want to do is to come down here. You can see where you have type to Imagine. Okay, you just want to go there to first of all bring in your image. So you tap on this particular icon here and then upload your image. Okay, I already have some images that I created. Okay, I created this one when I was trying to create a particular video for you on this particular channel, so let me just use this. Then you go ahead and tap on done. Now you can see the image is already uploading. Now you can see customize video. You can see that automatically it's trying to create a video. If you do not want this, what you can do is to just go ahead and change the setting, okay, such that it doesn't immediately start to generate a video from your image, right? So he's not necessarily saying anything. So what I'm going to do, right, is to just come down here and type, okay, this place that says customize video, I'll just type, I'll paste there. Then up here I'm going to say let him speak like a, so let him speak like a Nigerian male. Okay, so your prompt is already there. At the end of your script, you're going to put what exactly you want him to say. You can just put let him say, do you know my voice will remain consistent throughout this video? So what you want to do is to go ahead and send it.
Do you know my voice will remain consistent in this video?
Can you see how good he sounds? Now what you want to do is to just come here to tap on download. Okay, and it's going to download into your phone. Now the next thing you want to do, you want him to say something else, but you want the voice to sound this similar. or alike. So what you want to do is to come here and just change the script here. I just put here, can you see that my voice hasn't changed? I'm going to go ahead and send it. So let's play and listen.
Can you see that my voice hasn't changed?
Can you see it's still the same voice consistency? And then you just go ahead to download it. Come here again to where I have Type to Imagine and tap on this to bring in the woman I want to use. I'm going to use this particular lady, okay? And then you just tap on Done. Now if you look down here, you can see it's already attaching. Now this is it right here, it's already customizing the video. But what I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT, go back to that particular prompt that ChatGPT generated. Okay, now what I'm just going to do is to type make the prompt specific for a Nigerian female instead, but just ensure you are still on that same flow. Okay, then you send it. This is it. It has already, now you need to put female because of all the voicing and everything, because if you look very well, the voicing for a male is definitely going to be different from that of a female. Okay, so you now want to go ahead and copy this, paste it here, and then you just put let her speak, an open quotation, or you just put let her say, and then you open quotation and type in what you want her to say. Let her say, including me, and Glory C created me using just her phone and free tools. You just go ahead and send.
Including me, and Coach Glory created me using just her phone and free tools.
Can you hear how good she sounds? I love it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to just go ahead and download. Now let's go ahead to create that of the little child. Just go back to ChatGPT. Girl, instead, copy, then take it back there. Okay, if you didn't get the first one, you'd get this one. So come here, tap on this arrow to go back. All right, then you come down here, tap on this image here to bring in the child, then tap on Done. She's already uploading here. The image is already uploading here. Paste the prompt here. Let her say, you can also do this. Allow her to teach you how to do this easily. So you want to just go ahead and send it, and let's see what it's going to produce for us.
You can also do this. Let me teach you how to do this easily.
Okay, so you can see she said something differently, but let me tap on redo.
You can also do this. Allow her to teach you how to do this easily.
And you see this sounds even better, like way better. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and save it. You see, as long as you get your prompt right, it's going to work well for you. And if it doesn't sound well, just go ahead and redo. It's going to sound well again. After you must have generated the particular thing you want her to say, and you want her to continue saying stuff using the same voiceover, what you want to do is to just come here and just change what she's saying here. What I put here is let her say, also subscribe to her channel so you don't miss out. Now I'm going to put maintain the voice consistency.
Also subscribe to her channel so you don't miss out. You can also do this. Allow her to teach you how to do this easily.
Okay, so I don't really like that, so I'm going to remove this maintain voice consistency and I'm going to resend it.
Also subscribe to her channel so you don't miss out.
Very good. Can you see? So if it doesn't give you what you want, just put it again. It's going to give you what you want. Okay, so once you just have the same prompt, just change whatever it is that you have here. This was what I used to maintain voice consistency on my last video, and someone was asking me, so this is exactly how you want to do it. Then you go ahead to, of course, download. So now I'm going to go ahead and play the 3 videos, watch the 3 videos, then tell me what you think is missing.
Do you know my voice will remain consistent in this video? Can you see that my voice hasn't changed?
Including me, and Coach Glory created me using just her phone and free tools.
You can also do this. Allow her to teach you how to do this easily. Also subscribe to her channel so you don't miss out.
If you need one-on-one coaching sessions, you can chat me up on Instagram. I'm Glory C on Instagram. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.